In this video, I'll show you how to withdraw money from Coinbase wallet to your bank account. It is a straightforward and clearly described in the video, so follow all the steps. But before we dive into all of it, make sure you hit the subscribe button below and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest content. Okay, so first off, you gotta log into your Coinbase account. If you do not have an account yet, this is a perfect time for you to sign up. Alright, and once you've created your account, log in using your credentials. You can also download the app on your mobile device. So it's the same process. Log in using your information. And then we hover here at this help section. Just follow with me along if you're using your mobile device while watching this tutorial. All right. So here, this is how we self-manage commerce merchants, and this is how we can able to withdraw our funds on Coinbase. So basically, when you sign into your Coinbase Commerce account, go to the balances section and click on the withdraw button next to the relevant cryptocurrency. And from the pop-up window, enter the amount you want to withdraw and the destination for the funds. Alright, it's important to note that the Coinbase Commerce is a cryptocurrency only service, so you can never link back your account directly, alright? But you'll need to withdraw your crypto to a linked Coinbase account, and then you can convert it to cash, alright? And withdraw to a linked bank account from there, alright? So basically, you have to link your bank first, so there's like an indirect method for doing it. And speaking of the withdrawal fees, so when you withdraw your crypto to cash, there is like a 1% fee in addition to a standard network fees. And a network fee is required to process your transaction on the decentralized cryptocurrency network. Each blockchain has its own cryptocurrency that is used for network fees. For example, Ethereum, ETH, refers to both the cryptocurrency and the network that it's built on, alright? So there's a lot of information here for you to check out. I suggest you go here in this help section, understand and read all the information, and if you have questions, let me know in the feedback section. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you all in the next one.